With scrolling in the mouse, the cards will come together beautifully, letting us know about the aesthetics. If you'd like to create this same beautiful effect in WordPress and Elementor, stay with me until the end of the video. Alright, we've entered the WordPress panel, and we're opening the demo page. Let's click on Edit with Elementor so the Elementor page builder opens up for us. Now, click on Page Settings. You would set the receive to the default canvas mode. So here we want to loot the effect that we previously applied once in the elements ourselves. To be able to do this, we took JSON's exit from the effect that we previously took. I have the template that I prepared here, and I'll take JSON's exit from it. You can export the effects you create with Elementor and use them on your other websites. From the Import section, select File to select the JSON file I exported. It may be unsafe. I press Continue and Enable Import. I choose the effect that was imported. This effect loads. We could export the effect and import it into other websites smoothly. Stay with me until the end of this video. I choose this port, this head end. The effect is loaded here for us. So, using this method, we were able to talk about the external effect and import the effect into other sites, and the effect can be easily applied. If you are going to create this effect for your site, stay with us until the end of this video. We enter the panel and click on Pages. We select the page we have in mind and hit Edit with Elementor. Now, let's wait for the Elementor interface to load for us. With these methods I'm teaching you, you can earn money on freelancing sites using clear and practical techniques that can really help you in life. We're going to create a container using Flexbox and set the width to full width. And we set the height to VH at 100 VH. We're going to duplicate our container. We simply click on the container and then create a new container inside the original one, setting it to full width. We go to the Settings section, select the Effects section, and enter the number 40%. Then we head into the Advanced section and go to CSS Classes. We import the card, click on the container, select the image widget, and then we insert the image we want into it. I'm still choosing the image as a preview and hitting the select option. Let's go into the Style section. We set the width to 100% and also set the height to. We set the height to 100 VH and also set the object fit to cover. We click on the container in the layout settings. We select the vertical layout and add a heading into the container with the desired title. We'll bring it in there. we will style the header and choose a font model for our writing, a font that has a special beauty and that can be easily displayed on the headers. Let's choose our text size and enter it. We'll set the title style according to the video so we can reach a final style. Keep in mind that these styles are all a matter of personal taste, and you can change these settings however you like. Now, let's click on the container. Click on the main container. We click on the X on the container. Click on the X on the main container. And we duplicate the container. We duplicate the container 7 times. We click on the main container. Now, let's go into the advanced section. We enter the CSS classes section. We're going to add sticky cards. Now, we go into layout. From the additional options section, select the offload option on the left. Place the single HTML tag on the section. From the advanced section, select the custom CSS option. From this section, the code available on the website. In this description of this video, I was going to include a link to the code. From there, you can download the code and use it in your project. So, we'll paste the code here. You can see that the image here has the same style and that if you want to change anything here, you can change some parts using CSS. For example, you can change the background color here. The background color section chooses a bright color. Okay, let's hit publish. Enter the journey, look at the journey, see how it went. This is the output of my work. From the Add Elements section, we'll enter the HTML widget. Using the code provided on the website, you can enter this code and use it in your project. Alright, let's paste the code here. Then we hit the Publish button, again to save the information. Now, let's check the page and see how it looks so far. Yes, so far we've been doing well. You can see that our effect has been applied to the page. Now, let's select the main container. I've chosen a container here that doesn't have any content in it, and I just wanted to implement the effect we applied to the page. Now, let's review the effect together and see how it works. You can see that the effect is applied correctly, and it scrolls nicely on our page. Alright, let's go back to the Elementor page builder. We click on the HTML widget again. I'm going to add a series of numbers here to increase the card rotation effect on the page and make it random. The rotation on the card should be applied. These numbers are up to you, and you can enter whatever you like. So, we hit the Publish button, we enter the site, we enter the form. Well, let's check the effect again. So, if you see that there is a problem with your image below and that it is not visible properly, and that none of your cards can be written correctly, click on the container where all the cards and images are created. In the Additional Options section, we will set Overflow to Default. We hit the Publish button. We scroll. We set the Overflow to Default. Okay, let's check the settings together. The main container settings, which contain all the images and widgets, are good. You can see that the overflow option is the default in. The HTML is a single section. This is your opinion so that you don't apply the wrong settings. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you enjoy this type of tutorial content, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification option so you can stay updated on my new videos. On this channel, I teach how to set up websites and online stores using WordPress and Elementor, as well as how to earn income from software skills related to web development. If you enjoy this type of tutorial content, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments related to literature and the web. If you enjoy this type of tutorial content, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share your thoughts in the comments.